Good morning. All right. See on the last episode that got the motor in, transmission in. Now we just got hook everything up. I'm waiting on some parts because I was cheap and I ordered them offline. But I'll bring you right along, and hopefully in this episode we can get it fired up and new transmission works. And then at the end of this week on Saturday, I'll bring you along. We're going to a local car show with a Burnout. I think it's a standing Burnout. It's kind of gay, but whatever. And break in the new heads and new transmission. All right, here it goes. So let me tell you, these are the most aggravating things. Sorry. Yep. I take everything loose just to get them in, but they barely clear. They rub a little bit. Whew. That is no fun. Yep, can't get that one. I spent more time losing tools than I actually do doing anything. I just had this thing. Alright, after looking for my carburetor for about 20 minutes, it was right in front of my face. Motor's pretty much complete. Just got to put the radiator that connects everything and get underneath it and hook everything else back up. I got to clean out my catch can and put fluids in it. I'm waiting on new spark plugs, pinion seal for the back, and valve cover gaskets, and it should be done. Alright everybody, welcome back. Should be the last night. I'm trying to get everything finished on the Ranger. It is Tuesday night, so if I get done tonight, maybe I can do some testing. I just need to make sure transmission works and it doesn't overheat. And then I gotta get tires mounted. I got my buddy Keith, he's fixing my rim before I hit the wall. but I should have everything to get it done tonight. So I'll bring it right along, and it's mainly fix all the leaks. The valve covers leak, pinion seal leaks. What else leaks on the thing? Needs a new fuel filter, oil filter, and transmission fluid for the new transmission. So shouldn't be much. Here we go. Alright, so what all we gotta get done tonight? Valve cover gaskets, temperature sending unit, pinion seal, new spark plugs, change the oil. Tell you, transmission fluid. I know I sound like I'm always complaining, but geez, it's expensive. That was $56 for 2 gallons. And got me a Wix filter and new fuel filter. Just gotta rip the valve covers off and reseal them, and then I can put the coil packs on spark plugs and crawl underneath it and do everything underneath for the transmission. The old valve covers shine up pretty good. No, shine some light. Kind of hard to see. They do have some flake over them. My buddy Keith hooked me up with these a while back. Alright, got new gaskets on both sides. You seen that? Hopefully these don't leak. Boy, you gotta love getting heads out of the dirt. Yep. It couldn't have been the bolt that's really easy to tap. Sorry if I feel like I complained. Because I'm just turning into a grumpy old snack guy. I get it though. Something that should have took about 5 minutes has turned into a whole ordeal. I get it though. Alright guys, this is going to be the first startup with new heads, new transmission, and all put back together. Had some struggles. Can't really tell in the video. I had to replace that spark plug wire because yeah, she's a little burnt up. And also, turn this off. I usually run, well, my old motor I ran 34 degrees and I just kept it, which apparently that's a lot for an LS. So I got it down to about 30 and just fly across the board. We'll try that this weekend. Alright, this is going to be the first startup. Got all the fluids in it. There we go. All my hard work finally paid off. This has been a challenge, that's for sure. Transmission works, and doesn't overheat. I think I killed another, I don't know why I can't get a manual temperature gauge. This one's reading about 100 degrees off because I even checked it in the Holly. And I cracked the line loose to see if it was even hot. It got up to 70 degrees, so it didn't even open the thermostat yet. So, but it's about 9:45 at night, so I don't want to run it too long. Try to be conscious of my neighbors. Yeah, now all I gotta do is wash it, and then tomorrow I found, check this out. So I found 4, they almost look brand new, tires for $50 today. So I was so psyched. I went ahead and got them. I'm gonna go get them mounted tomorrow, and then tomorrow's Friday, so I got one more day to load everything up, and then we're leaving at like 8. I think pre-registers around 9, and I don't know anything about it. This is the first time going to this event, so I'll bring y'all along. It should be fun. I mean, every burnout contest is fun, right? But I am so stoked that there's no leaks, or at least not yet. But even the valve covers that I stripped out, they're still stripped. But I guess one bolt is enough because they're not leaking as of yet. I don't see any oil pouring down them. Yeah, gotta fix my busted up grill where I hit the wall in Bristol. Some zip ties. And I gotta wash this thing. It is filthy. I don't know if you can see all of it, but jeez. Got rubber all over it. And it's been sitting for a while, so no better time to wash it. I've done another competition, and this one should be pretty interesting. I mean, it is out of church. Went ahead and washed it, and then it's about 10:30, so I'm going to call it a night. I think that's going to end it for this video. Next one I actually have some action instead of me just working in the dirt. Alright, see y'all later.